today we're on Chocolatta Bay, and we're going to try our hand once again at a little magnet fishing. Let's head to the Delta. Hey Delta, what is a nutria?
The nutria is a big old brown furry aquatic rodent. These ugly critters strongly resemble beavers, but with arched backs, long brown tails, and bright orange teeth. I kid you not, orange teeth. Adult nutria typically reach a length of 2 foot and weigh near 20 pounds.
Hey, today we're at Chocolatta Bay on the Chocolatta Bay Boat Launch, which is right on the causeway, right where the Delta meets Mobile Bay, and we're gonna have another try at some magnet fishing. Before we get started, I'm going to take a quick walk around the Chocolatta Bay Boat Launch. And as you can see, there's plenty of space here to moor lots of boats. It is important to point out that no fishing is allowed from the boat launches, and I'm assuming that applies to magnet fishing as well. This is one of about a half dozen or so free launches up and down the causeway, and they are maintained by the state or the county or maybe some combination thereof. I can tell you this right now though, folks, it is hot. We're looking at highs above 100 every day this week, and that's before the heat index. I've been fishing and boating and hiking this delta just about my entire life, but I'll be the first to admit that I am absolutely no expert on the delta. I am an enthusiast, but not an expert.
In case you were wondering what I was getting hung up on there, just old concrete, probably from old hotels and stuff. This one down here has even got tile work on it. Pretty neat, huh? Let's get back to chunking.
Like I always say, folks, just one piece. If each of us picks up just one piece, it'll help make a difference. Well, here's my piece. Where's yours?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It is hot. Hot with a capital H, a capital A, a capital W, and a capital T. It is hot. We're gonna pack it in. Till next time, I'll see you on the Delta.
Hey, y'all. Stu wanted me to ask you, he wanted you to hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's not that hard. It's not like you need a really bendy back for that. Just hit the like and subscribe buttons and we'll all be good.